By the end of this video, you will know how to delete an invoice in Xero. Start from the top menu in Xero, click Sales, then select Invoices. This takes you to the Invoices page where you can view the invoices currently in your account. If you have a long list, take a moment to identify the one you want to remove before opening anything. The goal here is to make sure you are working with the correct invoice from the start. Once you are on the Invoices page, find the invoice you want to delete and open it. When the invoice opens, you will be looking at that individual record and its details. Before moving on, check that it is the right invoice, since the next action will remove it rather than edit it. With the invoice open, look to the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu. This is the More Actions menu. Click that menu to open the available options for the invoice you are viewing. The delete command is located here, rather than in the main body of the invoice, so this is the place to use when you want to remove the record. From the menu, select Delete. Xero will then ask you to confirm the deletion. Read the prompt and confirm if you are sure you want to proceed. Once you confirm, the invoice is permanently removed from your invoices list, so it is worth taking that brief pause before clicking the final confirmation. There is one detail to keep in mind while you are doing this. The delete option is only available for invoices that are in draft status. If you open an invoice and do not see delete in the More Actions menu, check the invoice status. If the invoice has already been approved, Xero does not allow it to be deleted in the same way. In that case, you would need to use void instead of delete. After you confirm the deletion, return to the invoices list and verify that the invoice has been removed. This gives you a final check that the action was completed and that the invoice no longer appears in the list. If it is no longer there, the deletion has gone through as expected. The main flow is to open Sales, go to Invoices, open the correct draft invoice, use the three-dot menu, choose Delete, confirm the prompt, and then verify that the invoice has been removed from the list. If the invoice is approved rather than draft, the action available will be void instead of delete, so the status matters before you expect to see that option. The invoice has now been deleted from your Xero Invoices list.